Hey, let's go through the steps to add a store on XPayBack Business Suite.
Open the XPayBack app, click on the Invite Merchant option and select Add Merchant.
Click on the Sign Up option and provide your personal and store details. After filling out the required information, click on Send OTP and create your account by entering the OTP received on the page. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your email inbox. Log in using your email and password. You will now be on the home page of Business Suite. Select the Profile and KYC option. Complete the General Details page by providing the necessary information. In the Business Info section, add relevant details about your business. In the Tax Details section, provide your tax-related information. Add your bank account details in the Bank Account Details section. Your profile and KYC section are now complete. Next, select Manage Store from the My Store menu. Accurately input your store details on the following page after selecting Add Outlet. Set your store's working hours according to your requirements by selecting the Working Hours option. Upload your store image by clicking on Manage Store Image. Provide your store's KYC details by clicking on KYC Details. Set your commission rate by clicking on Manage Commission. A minimum of 3% commission should be specified, along with an expiry date. Select your preferred payment method under Payment Method. Click on Manage Store to view your store. To have your store approved, click on the Action button and select Push for approval. An admin will review your store details and approve it. Navigate to Manage Store again and choose Manage Staff to add your staff members. Click on Add Staff, provide their details, and save the information. For managing holidays, click on Manage Holiday in the My Store section. Customize the holiday schedule according to your requirements. Congratulations! Your store has been successfully added to the Business Suite platform.